Okay, here's the correct way to remove the connector for the comfort controls. Connectors C, D, E, and F are self-explanatory. You just pull them out. A and B are different. Somebody said to go ahead and shift this over here, which unlocks the pin wires. That's not correct. If you do that, you're going to have a bloody mess trying to get them back in, as I found out the hard way. The correct way is right here by D. There's this little lever. And watch this. As I press that, it lifts it right on out. Reinstall it. Hard to do holding the camera at the same time. But let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna have to get it, press it in and start it. And you can see how it pushes it in. And there you go. So again, raises it up and push it back in, and you're locked. That's it.